Bottlenose dolphins are a species of marine mammals well known for their friendly and curious nature, as well as their intelligence and agility. These dolphins are easily recognizable by their signature elongated snouts, or bottlenoses, and their grayish-blue skin. They are highly social animals and are often found swimming in pods that can range in size from just a few individuals to hundreds. They are also known for their playful behavior, often leaping out of the water, riding waves, and interacting with boats and humans. Bottlenose dolphins are carnivores, feeding on a variety of fish, squid, and crustaceans. They use echolocation, a biological sonar system, to locate prey and navigate their surroundings. On the daily trips of Bolhas Tours, it is possible to watch this magnificent species of dolphin. Come and meet us at our center located in Sesimbra. Let's explore.